Topic 2. Explore the Excel interface. Before you dive into learning how to set up a workbook, let's get you comfortable with the application interface and terminology. At the top of the application, there's a bar known as the ribbon, which holds several tabs. These are usually File, Insert, Page Layout, Formula, Data, Review, View, and Help. Your ribbon might have different tabs. Each tab contains commands assembled together in logical groups. The first ribbon tab is File. When the File tab is selected, it does not display a ribbon. Instead, it displays a panel on the left side of the application and includes commands such as Information, New, Open, Save, Print, Share, Export, Options, and more. This panel area is referred to as the Backstage view. Think of the Backstage view as opening the curtain to access what's going on behind the workbook. At any time, select the back arrow in Backstage view to return to the workbook sheet. Or select the Escape key on your keyboard. When a workbook, even a blank workbook, is opened in Excel, other elements in the application interface will be activated, with the workbook area taking up most of the application area. Directly above the ribbon, in the upper right corner of the application, in the title bar, are the commands Minimize, Restore, and Close to manage the size of the screen. In the upper left corner above the ribbon is the Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar can be displayed above or below the ribbon and can be customized to your needs. You'll learn more about this later in the course. By default, the Quick Access toolbar will display the autosave, save, undo, redo, and a drop-down menu. Search, also known as Tell Me, is in the center of the title bar. You can search for commands, get insights from an internet search, or get Excel help from here. Search/Tell Me is also available in other Office 2019 and Office 365 applications and is in the same position for each application. The name box and the formula bar are directly underneath the ribbon. You'll learn more about these during the course. At the bottom of the worksheet, you'll find the Sheet tabs contained within the current workbook. The default sheet names are Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and so forth. Next to that there is the New Sheet button, a little plus, to add extra sheets as necessary. Over to the right of the screen there is a vertical scroll bar and there is a horizontal scroll bar along the bottom to help you scroll through the worksheet. File tab or Backstage view. From here you can access and manage application and workbook settings. Home tab. This tab is having the popular tools and commands used most, like the clipboard tools, font formatting, cell alignment, and number formatting. Insert tab. By using this tab you can add objects and elements into your worksheet, such as pictures, icons, charts, and smart art. Draw tab. You can make notes with a digital pen, converting to a shape, and converting to math. If your device is not touchscreen enabled, you might need to add this tab to the ribbon. Page Layout tab. From here, you can modify the workbook themes, page setup, and sheet options. Formulas tab. Here you can create functions, define names, audit formulas, and set calculation options. Data tab. From here you can get data from other sources, create queries, sort, filter, and use other data tools. Review tab. From here you can perform proofing, track changes, protection, and accessibility functions for the worksheet. View tab. From here you can manage and modify workbook views, zoom in and out, arrange workbook windows, and create macros. Help tab. From here you can access Excel help, contact Microsoft support, give feedback about Excel, and access learning.